Hello all, welcome back. Let's continue further. Now we have the core here is some of the things that we explored in the past, but yeah, there are some of them which we could cover again. The code node, as I said, it's very powerful. It has two options called as JavaScript and Python script. So we could use certain JavaScript or Python script to transform the data. The data table is going to help us do certain actions which we could use it locally if we are not using any Google Sheets or any Airtable kind. We could pull the data or we can push the data into a data table which is totally in-house to N8N. HTTP request. Oh my God, this is one of the most powerful node, and I need a whole video to explain about HTTP request. We could do a lot of things with HTTP request alone. Webhook, another powerful tool which could help us link or trigger something when certain things happens on any other site, and then we could use the webhook to call our N8N automation. Execute a sub workflow is wherein certain sub workflow is to be executed when one of the other workflow has a dependency on some other workflow. We would explore it in the later. And then FTP, as we know, file transfer protocol, and then SFTPs, we could use this in certain precise conditions only. N8N, yeah, this is another important node that we are having a lot of actions in it. We will explore this in detail in the future. N8N form, if I want to fill out a form, I could use an inbuilt N8N form rather than creating a website. Or I could, if I am having a website already, I could either use the form on that website, or I could push N8N form onto that website. So again, another powerful one to extract information from an input perspective, which could be used as an input to trigger the further workflows. No operation, do nothing is, you can say, kind of a dummy wherein it could help us. We should be using this wherever we feel that we should not end any of the nodes randomly. This could literally mean a full stop. There is no further action that is needed on this. We need not use it. It's not mandatory, but it would be a very good practice to use it. Next, respond to webhook is something the other hand shake of the webhook. So when we are extracting, when something happens on some website and the webhook triggers, we get certain actions to happen on the workflow. And when the action complete, it needs to go back and tell the same workflow that, sorry, webhook, that this has happened. So this is the response to webhook. That is again powerful twin of the webhook. Next, wait is something that I explained. We should not be executing, especially on the HTTP nodes when we are having anything from the internet. If we do it at certain pace, it could detect that this is being done by a bot and it would block our action. So if you want to extract the 10 different restaurants in certain place, we could do it much easily, but we want to extract 1,000 leads like that, and if we don't use a wait node properly, then it could literally blow off and then mark us as spam. We'll explore each of these nodes in detail in our videos coming forward. Subscribe,